Did you know? Did you know that more than 15 million single moms are in America today? Or that they are currently raising more than 22 million of America's youth? Well, I am a percentage of that. For as long as I know, when you hear a single parent raising their child, it has always been looked down on, or even at times it's been judged, and it has even been questioned. Is that child doing okay? Or are they going to be okay in the future? Many people are very quick to oversee that just as there is negative effects to single parenting, there are also positive effects to single parenting. Here are a few negative stereotypes that maybe you have already heard of, or maybe you have thought of it yourself. According to prospect.org, some of the consequences are child poverty, delinquency, and school failure. Some of these psychological effects are resentment and sense of inferiority, emotional issues, and feeling insignificant. This is according to SecureTeen.com. As I said earlier, I was raised by a single mom. I know firsthand all of the negative effects it has, and it took me a very long time to see the positive effects that it had in my life. I went through a lot of challenges because of it. My mom not only raised me, but she raised my three younger siblings at the same time. And because of that, I took up a lot of responsibility of also raising them as my own. Because of the way that my mom raised me, I am who I am today. She is my superhero. I am a very independent person today. I am very responsible. I am a huge lover for a big community. I have always been told I'm mature for my age, and I've always been looked up to, and I've loved mentoring people. Growing up with a single mom has taught me the value of life, a new perspective, and to be thankful for everything. I love the phrase, "You are not your circumstances or your past." I choose who I want to be and how I let my upbringing help mold me into becoming the best version of myself every day. Here are some positive effects to single parenting that you may not know that there are. According to momjunction.com, there are 6 positive effects. The first is strong mother-child bonding, strong sense of community, responsible, mature, being a role model, and learning how to handle circumstances. In my opinion, if I could add one more, it would be accountability. You don't choose if you get to be raised by a single parent, but you do get to choose how you let it affect you. Fun facts. Here are some people that I actually got to find out about. They were raised by a single mom: Barack Obama, Angelina Jolie, Alicia Keys, and Michael Phelps. Let these people be an inspiration to you. They were raised by a single mom, but they didn't let their circumstance hold them back or tell them that they're not good enough or that they're not going to make it. They took their experience and they chased after their dreams. They let those circumstances help mold them to become the best version of themselves. There are many single parent stereotypes and stigmas that go around. But what about the parents who have beat the odds and who have left their mark on society? Just like my own story, there is history. History is full of single women and children who have impacted our lives. All single parents come from different walks of life, but all of them have had the same strength and determination to achieve greatness.